Statistical Process Control, SPC. The goal is to identify the source of quality defects at the operation station, allowing for the detection and correction of defects in semi-finished products before they are completed. During the quality control procedure, all operations are monitored according to predetermined quantities, such as 7 for AQL 2.5 or 5 for AQL 4. If a defect is found and the count is below a certain threshold, the operator is instructed to make repairs. However, if the count exceeds a specified number, the operation is halted, and the manager is alerted to take necessary precautions. In double rings, operations where defects were found in the previous ring, along with high-risk operations, are revisited to verify whether the defects have been corrected. In collaboration with the Artemis consultancy team and the Work Methods Development Unit, a record is created in the Artemis program to document all types of defects encountered within the organization, thereby establishing a defects pool. In statistical, inline, process control, measurement activities are conducted using handheld terminals. The quality personnel first scan the Kanban cart in the system, select the operation they will inspect, and begin the inspection according to the quantity defined by their AQL system. During the inspection, they log any encountered defects using the handheld terminal. Since the system tracks which personnel perform the relevant operation on the inspected Kanban cart, inline process reports can be generated based on desired date ranges or filtered by personnel or defect type. See you in another video. Goodbye.